Ancient History Midterm Exam. Number 1. Which of these activities would an archaeologist most likely do? A. Make maps. B. Examine objects. C. Read old newspapers. D. Study Earth's features. Number 2. An object that is made or used by people from the past is called A. An artifact. B. A document. C. A ritual. D. A theory. Number 3. Why do historians read diaries and letters from the past? A. To agree on plans for the future. B. To compare their ideas of history. C. To learn to speak an ancient language. D. To find out what happened and why. Number 4. A prehistoric object is one that comes from a time A. Before history was written. B. Before people lived in cities. C. Before humans hunted animals. Or D. Before electricity was discovered. Number 5. Which question about the past does Caveheart most help us answer? A. What did the people look like? B. What animals lived in the area? C. What language did people speak? D. What geometric shapes mean? Number 6. What could Lucy do that gorillas could not do as easily? A. Use her hands to defend her children. B. Make tools such as a sharp knife. C. Form a group to hunt animals. D. Build fires to cook meat for her family. Number 7. Which statement from Homo habilis describes a capability that helped their group survive? A. They knew how to make tools. B. They came from before Neanderthals. C. They lived 1.5 million years ago. D. They had both ape and human features. Number 8. The bones of a number of hominids were found in one location. Scientists concluded that this type of hominid, A. probably made tools, B. died in wars, C. had language, or D. lived in groups. Number 9. Large-brained Homo sapien Neanderthals survive, giving them the ability to do what? A. Run much faster, B. Bend farther forward, C. Design better tools, or D. Plant crops for food. Number 10. What advantage over previous hominid groups did the invention of the spear thrower give to early modern humans? A. To cook animals for food, B. To injure animals with spears, C. To kill animals from a distance, D. To hunt animals in an organized group. Number 11. What change began with the Neolithic age in about 8000 BCE? A. Trading, B. Hunting, C. Farming, or D. Building. Number 12. Why was the Fertile Crescent the site of many early settlements? A. The hills were rich in gold, B. The soil was good for crops, C. The forest was full of animals, D. The caves were deep and warm. Number 13. What was the greatest benefit to people when the early farmers began to raise plants and animals? A. They could have pets for company, B. They could travel more easily, C. They shared most of the work, or D. They had a stable food supply. Next page. Number 14. How did dividing up the work help communities produce more to meet their needs? A. Everybody did the same job. B. Most people enjoyed working alone. C. Villagers learned to make stone tools. D. Individuals developed a variety of skills. 15. How did trade help the Neolithic people make stronger tools? A. They built thick stone walls around their communities. B. They developed sturdy muscles by walking long distance. C. They learned from nearby villages how to work with metal. D. They got special materials such as obsidian from other areas. 16. The name of Mesopotamia comes from its location, which was A. Between two rivers, B. In mountain foothills, C. Near a region of many conflicts, D. At the site of the earliest cities. 17. One factor that made farming difficult in Sumer was A. Rocky soil, B. Steep hillsides, C. Lack of rainfall, D. Growth of weeds. 18. What was the chief purpose of dams and reservoirs? A. To allow travel by boat, B. To make it easier to fish, C, to store water for later use, or D, to protect villagers from attack. Next page. 19. Why did the villages of Sumer depend on each other? A, they formed caravans to safely visit the mountains. B, they cooperated to keep the water systems working. C, they exchanged different kinds of natural resources. D, they had to fight off attacks from empires to the east. 20. Using natural resources found in the environment, Sumerians built strong walls with A, bricks made of mud, B, logs with pointed tips, C, reeds cut near the river, D, rocks shaped into squares. 21. A society has a stable food supply if it A, gives its food to the king, B, has enough food for its people, C, buys food from other groups, D, gets its food by hunting and fishing. Number 22. Which of these inventions most affected the food supply in Sumer? A, the arch, B, the plow, C, the wheel, D, the chariot. Number 23. Why were scribes important in Sumerian government? A, to entertain the rulers, B, to write down laws, C, to collect people's taxes. Next page. 24. What evidence shows that the Sumerians lived after the Stone Age? A, brick houses, B, wooden plows, C, copper jewelry, D, painted pottery. 25. Which invention made it possible for Sumerian armies to use chariots? A, wheels, B, swords, C, sledges, D, horseshoes. 26. What evidence found by archaeologists show that the Sumerians were not prehistoric? A, ziggurats, B, city walls, C, stone statues, D, written records. 27. What was a problem that was caused by Sumerian city-states' independence from one another? A, they were unable to trade crops with one another. B, they did not cooperate to build irrigation systems. C, they had very few different natural resources available. D, they could not defend themselves against stronger groups. 28. For what is Hammurabi best remembered? A, a code of laws, B, a style of battle, C, a hanging garden, or D, a system of canals. Next page. 29. How did the desert help the people of Egypt and Cush? A, it had fertile land for crops, B, it made trade and travel easy, C, it was grassy for the grazing sheep, D, it gave protection from invaders. Number 30. How did the yearly flooding of the Nile River affect the people of Egypt and Cush? A, it isolated